Precision is not optional. It's structural. This is Belentino. Structural engineering, chartered expertise, Eurocode precision. We work with chartered structural engineers on every project. CEng MIStructE accredited. Full structural calculations, building control submissions, and on-site supervision. From steel beam sizing to foundation assessment, every number is verified, every load path is traced. 6 specialist engineering capabilities. Steel beams, RSJ and universal beam designed to Eurocode 3, fabricated and installed to specification. Load-bearing walls, full calculations and supervision for every opening. Foundations and underpinning, designed to BS 8004. Loft and roof structures, truss modifications and dormer steelwork. Basement design, retaining walls, tanking, and waterproofing. And structural surveys, condition assessments and emergency propping. Steel beam design is where precision matters most. Beam sizing, connection details, padstone calculations, and bearing capacity, all calculated to Eurocode 3 by chartered engineers. Every beam we install comes with a full set of structural calculations and an engineer's completion certificate. Foundation design follows BS 8004. We assess ground conditions, calculate bearing capacity, and design the appropriate solution. Whether it's strip foundations for a new extension, mass concrete underpinning, or minipiles for difficult ground, the engineering is matched to the site. At Lethwaite Road, our engineers designed the complete structural package. Loft conversion steelwork, load-bearing wall removal across 3 levels, new floor joists, and precision steel to timber connections. Every calculation verified. Every inspection passed first time. Our Birmingham program required structural design for a 3-scheme extension. Foundation assessment, steel beam calculations for multiple openings, and building control coordination across the full scope. Our process starts with a thorough site assessment. Then full structural calculations are prepared with detailed specifications. Building control submissions are coordinated end-to-end. And on-site supervision ensures the design is executed precisely as engineered. Every project includes structural engineer's completion certificate, building control final sign-off, gas Safe CP12 where gas is affected, and EICR electrical certification. Full compliance. No shortcuts. Chartered engineers. Eurocode standards. Professional certifications. The quality you can't see is the quality that matters most. Beauty with intent. Value by design. Discuss your structural requirements at belentino.com.